So this is the outdoor unit. This will be installed over here. And we will go into my room. Honestly, extra pipe was not required, but these people wanted to have extra pipe. They could have bent it thatwards and took the straight pipe, but it's okay. It's Hitachi. They will follow the protocol. I know the performance of this unit, so I'm pretty happy. So this installation is completed. For installation, I got free installation, but they did not give any discount on the consumables like extra 6 feet pipe and all. So I ended up paying 4,000 rupees just for installation, which I believe does not make any justice. Let me show you the outdoor, how it looks. So this is the drain pipe. This is the outdoor unit. Here is my AC inside my room, and this is the outdoor unit. They have charged me for 6 feet extra pipe, but I believe it's not more than 4 feet. You can see how purposefully they have bent it like this. They could have taken it straight or directly to the outlet point. Also the outdoor, they could have shifted over here, but they installed it over there just to make money. Unnecessarily there is joint in my piping. Now let me show you the indoor unit. Continuously water is coming out of this pipe. So this is how the indoor unit looks. While doing this work, one hammer fell on my ground. There are some scratches, but it's not broken. It's okay. But I did not like the service of installation this time. It's really a scam. The pipe could have been saved easily. This is the remote. Remote of this model is smaller than previous model. This is my second purchase. You might have seen my previous video. I have exactly same model in another flat. Their remote is longer than this one. It has more features in it. Now they have changed the remote. It's okay, I don't care about remote. The main functionality of AC is very strong. Right now whole room is chilled, and you can see temperature is not too low. I believe it's 20 degrees. The air throw is also wonderful, and you can see it has 4-way movement. This is also moving. The vertical movement is also there. Generally AC will have only horizontal movement, but this one has the vertical. So I paid 27,000 with all card offers on Amazon for purchase of the AC. Then I spent 4,000 rupees for installation. So overall for 31,000 I will say it's still a good deal. Out of this 4,000, I could have easily saved 2,000 rupees at least. If not even two, I would have saved 3,000 rupees if they could have installed the outdoor unit properly without wastage of extra pipe. And I could have saved on the stand. You know, the stand and drain pipe, they charge you hefty price. So for drain pipe they have charged me 600 rupees. For the wire they have charged me 450 rupees. And for extra pipe which is not even actually required, they charge me 2100 rupees. Okay. And for the stand they have charged me 1000 rupees. So everything it's being charged at 3 times of its actual cost. So these companies make their margin from this only. So next time be smart. You can ask them to use the products already purchased by you. You can order the drain pipe, the stand by yourself from Amazon while ordering the AC itself. Only thing you need to buy from them is the copper pipe, which you don't have any option anyway. So that you can pay. Otherwise, you will be scammed like I did. I got scammed, but it's okay. With the performance, I'm really happy. They asked me to keep it on for an hour. No noise. Super smooth AC and long throw. I can feel the throw till here. Like I'm almost, I think, 10 feet away. Still, I can feel the chilled throw of AC. This is a 3-star model. You will get the 5-star model as well. 5-star model has display in it. 3-star model does not have any display or indication on indoor unit. So if you want to see the temperature, you will have to see it on remote only. Remote does not have light. My another remote in the previous model has the light. Let me see if this one has light or not. Okay, there is no feature for light. Oh, there is light. Okay, it will glow once you change the temperature. It's on cool mode right now. It is an infrared remote, so you will have to be in front of AC. Now I will try to operate remote forcefully from wrong direction to see if it operates. Now I am pointing the remote in the opposite direction to the AC, so it's not working. Okay, you need to be at least open to the environment. And it's gradually changing temperature by 0.5, which I believe does not make sense at all. You will have to press a lot, then only the temperature will change. So this was my quick video on Hitachi air conditioner. I will tell you reasons I preferred this one over Daikin, because people think only Daikin is best AC manufacturer, which is not the truth, because I will open the truth. This air conditioner Hitachi has 5 years comprehensive warranty, including gas charging. Because most of the scams happen at gas charging only. They will say gas is low and all every time. Okay, so this brand has that also covered. And next thing is, right now from 20th of this month till 5th of this month, installation is free. Okay, that I was not aware of. I thought installation I will have to pay, but you know they will scam it here or there, and anyway they will recover the installation cost, so don't fall for it. Another thing is 5 years warranty on complete unit and 10 years warranty on the compressor. So Daikin gives only 1 year warranty on complete unit and there also you won't get warranty on gas leakage and all. That's the reason I trust this brand, and I already had experience with Hitachi, so I decided to go with Hitachi this time. And most important, Amazon gave me best price for this AC. Last time I paid 34,000 for exactly same model, and now I paid 27,000 for exactly same model. It's a huge difference. Okay, and last time also I used card offers. Okay, it's not like I purchased it upfront from offline store. I used all the card offers during sale on Amazon, and this time due to GST and the bigger sale, because you know Amazon Great Indian Festival is the biggest sale by Amazon, so due to that I got best discount possible for this model. This is the lowest price for this model till the date. Okay, I have purchased lots of more stuff from Amazon, and I will review them as well. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.